In this video, we are going to look at how you would get started with Assignment 2. Assignment 2 has you look deeper into programming with Python. You'll be looking at built-in functions and operators and how they would be used to capture data, process data, and display data. There's a number of videos for you to watch, and you've been watching them, obviously. Otherwise, you wouldn't have got here. There's some web pages to look at, and also an additional video that I think you'll find useful. But after all that, it's time to apply your knowledge. So your goal is to create a Python script that will do some math processing, basic math processing. You'll want to get data from the user, process the data, and then display the data. So the first step is to create a file with some comments in there that will kind of outline what you're going to do. You've got the header, and you've got your various different comments for the steps you're going to take. Then, once you have made that file, make sure that you save it in an appropriate location. The Python class folder we made from the last module. The Assignment02 folder will be new. You'll make a new one inside of that Python class folder, and then save it as basicmath.py. Now, once that's done, you'll need to go through and add in code to have it perform the actions you want. And when you're all done, make sure you test it and get some screenshots of it running if you would. Now, with that done, it's time to create a document that outlines your knowledge. What steps did you take to perform this assignment? What does it look like when it's running? What does your code look like? That kind of thing. Once you have that document, make sure you save it in the same folder. You're going to zip the folder up so it has the document and the Python script inside of it, upload to Canvas. And that's the end of that assignment. So hopefully this makes sense, and hopefully you'll have some fun. Take care.